how to redeem gift card on Uber Eats. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can redeem your gift card on Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to redeem your gift card on Uber Eats, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Uber Eats application here. Once you launch the Uber Eats app, you will see this type of interface where you need to just tap the account option from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the account option from the bottom right, you will see this type of interface where you need to tap the profile option from the top right. Otherwise, what you can do is just tap the wallet button. Once you tap on wallet, over here you will find add payment method or redeem gift card button. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you'll find gift card. Tap on gift card. All you have to do is simply make sure to enter the gift card code, make sure that they're correct, and then tap on the save button to save the changes. This way you can basically go ahead and then add your gift card code. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.